Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to allow Facebook to access photos. Before we get into our video, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified with our latest videos. Now let's get right into our videos. If you're having a problem where you cannot access your photos on Facebook, then you'll have to follow these steps. In order to allow access to photos for your Facebook, all you'll have to do is go to your settings. Once you go on your settings, from here you'll have to scroll all the way down and you'll have to find a section apps. From here tap on the option apps. Here you'll have to scroll down and find your Facebook. Once you have found your Facebook, tap on the Facebook option. Once you tap on the Facebook option, here you can see various options, starting from notifications to permissions, app timer, set as default, mobile data, and so on. From here on the second option, you can see permissions. You'll have to tap on it. Once you tap on the app permissions, here you'll be able to see two options that are allowed and not allowed. If you have photos option there, then you can tap on it. In my case, there is a option files and media. If you don't have the photos option, then all you'll have to tap is on the files and media option. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed towards the next page. Here you'll get two options that are allow access to media only and don't allow. You'll have to tap on the allow access to media only. Once the circle turns blue, you'll have successfully allowed Facebook access to photos. There, as you can see, the settings has been changed to allowed. Now you can go on your Facebook and you can see that you'll be able to access photos through your Facebook. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to allow Facebook access to photos. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. Don't forget to leave us a like. Have a good day.